Designing a front yard garden is a wonderful opportunity to enhance your home's curb appeal while creating a welcoming atmosphere. Start by assessing the layout and size of your front yard, considering factors like sunlight, soil quality, and local climate. A balanced design typically features a mix of flowers, shrubs, and ornamental grasses to provide year round interest. Consider planting perennial flowers such as daylilies or cornflowers, which bloom at different times throughout the season. Ensuring color and life from spring through fall. For added texture and height, incorporate ornamental grasses like fountain grass or mycos, which sway beautifully in the wind and can provide a soft backdrop for blooming plants. To create structure, consider defining your garden with borders or edges. Low brick or stone walls can delineate garden beds, while curved edges can create a more organic feel. Using raised beds not only helps with soil quality but also adds dimension to your landscape. A central focal point, such as a bird bath, sculpture, or a unique garden bench, can draw the eye and serve as a conservation starter. If you have space, consider adding a pathway that meanders through the garden using materials like gravel, pavers, or stepping stones. This invites visitors to explore the garden and appreciate its beauty up close. Incorporating seasonal elements can further enhance your front yard garden. Planting bulbs like tulips and daffodils will provide vibrant spring blooms, while annuals such as petunias and marigolds can be swapped out for summer color. For fall interest, consider adding ornamental kale or bumps, and during winter, evergreens can provide structure and greenery when other plants are dormant. If you have limited space, focus on vertical gardening by using trellises or wall planters for climbing plants like clematis or ive, which can add height and interest without taking up valuable ground space. Lighting plays a crucial role in showcasing your garden. Solar powered lights along pathways or spotlights highlighting key features can create an inviting ambience in the evening. Fairy lights draped in trees or along fences can add a magical touch, perfect for evening gathering. Consider installing a water feature such as a small fountain or pond which can attract wildlife and provide soothing sounds, making your garden a tranquil retreat. Don't forget about the use of color and texture in your plant section. A harmonious color scheme such as shades of blue and white or vibrant red and yellows can create a cohesive look. Layering different plant heights and textures add depth. Taller plants like sunflowers or hollyhocks can create a backdrop for shorter, bushier plants like gramíneas or salvia. Use ground covers like creeping thyme or agua to fill in gaps and prevent weeds, creating a lush, full appearance. Incorporating native plants can also enhance sustainability, attracting local wildlife and reducing the need for irrigation. Native flowers and shrubs typically require less maintenance and are more resilient to local pests and diseases. Additionally, consider integrating a small vegetable or herb garden to your front yard design. It not only adds beauty but can also provide fresh produce and a rewarding gardening experience. Lastly, personalize your front yard garden with unique elements that reflect your personality. Hand printed garden stakes, decorative planters, or colorful welcome sign can add character and charm. By thoughtfully planning your front yard garden with a combination of seasonal interests, varied textures, and personal touches, you can create an inviting outdoor space that enhances your home's exterior and welcomes guests warmly.